Hey everyone, so I've got another package that showed up today. So let's start out with the unboxing beverage. So I'm drinking ice water today because it is 111 out there today and it is hot, so you need to stay hydrated. Alright, so this package came from Stirling. And so for those of you guys who have been down on FedEx lately, I will say this FedEx picked this package up like 2 days ago in Arkansas, and it's already here in Arizona and delivered to me. So they were on the ball with this one. Unboxing knife is my antique fishing knife, just my typical knife I keep around for this stuff. So this was sitting outside for maybe an hour, probably less than an hour. Hopefully not too long. So hopefully everything in here is survived the heat just fine. So Stirling just did a 4th of July sale. And for those of you who don't know, Stirling does not really do sales. Instead of sales, they do the special edition soaps and splashes typically. So they're a little bit smaller quantity at lower costs. So you can usually get a set for like 17, 18 bucks, something like that, both the soap and the splash. So they brought back some of the ones that were really, really popular during Black Friday season. So they brought them back for 4th of July, which I thought was awesome. I missed out on some of them when they came out for Black Friday, so I decided to jump on this sale and pick these up. So the first thing I got here is not one of the sale items. This was just something that's been on my list for a while. Stirling Intrepid Man. Oh, that smells wonderful. It's an aquatic scent. To me, it's got a lot of citrus, but the soap actually smells a little bit different than the splash that I got, the splash sample. This actually smells a little bit minty. So that's looking forward to using that. That's awesome. And I've got the splash for that one as well. So the next thing I got is something from my wife. So I did manage to get my wife into wet shaving. So she uses soaps and brushes and creams and an injector razor. So she was kind of getting tired of her Moon Soap Amaretto, which is her one soap that she has that's really hers. So I picked her up something to try from the Stirling sale. Iniquity for Her. I've never tried any of the Iniquity scents. She hasn't either, so I think she'll like this one. It's a little bit powdery, a little touch of floral. I think that one will work out nice. So that one's for my wife. And then for me, Iniquity for Him. Again, I haven't smelled this cologne before that this is based off of. Ooh, that's nice. I don't really know how to describe that one. It's definitely got some citrus, a little bit reminiscent of their Dunshire, but not the same. Looking forward to that one. I think that one's going to be a hit. And I also got the splash to go along with that as well. Again, these are in smaller containers for the sale, and they still have these up on the site right now. So the 5.8 ounce is their standard tub. These are 3 ounce, so a little bit smaller tub. And the aftershave splashes are 2 ounce instead of their, I think 3.4, I think 100 milliliters, what they typically do. So smaller sizes for smaller prices. So the next one I got was Suka. Again, the scent profile just sounded really nice on these, and so I picked them up. I don't know what they're based off of. Ooh, that one's nice. Kind of a vanilla, creamy. That one's nice. I think I'm going to like that one too. Again, splash with that one. Sample of Sharp Dressed Man bath soap. So I don't know if Rod and Mandy remembered that I love their Sharp Dressed Man, so always glad to have the bath soap. So I also got one more sample, and I don't think I've ever smelled this one in soap form. This is the Piacenza. Piacenza, we just like to make fun of Glenn because he says it like that, but we're not really making fun of him. We actually love that he says it like that. Piacenza. I'm going to have to go back and look at this one again because this one smells really, really good, and I think I would have remembered it. based on the aftershave. So we'll see. And then the last soap and splash I picked up was the tangerine. Ooh, and that is exactly what that smells like. They nailed it. Very, very high citrus. It's kind of got that, you can almost smell the acidity in the citrus. That smells exactly like what it's supposed to. It smells like a tangerine. All right, so that is my Stirling unboxing for today. So like I said, these are still up on the site right now. It was their 4th of July sale. I'm assuming they'll probably be offering these smaller tubs until they're gone. So if you guys are interested, I'll link their sale page below. And hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. We'll see you in the next video.